Hi folks, in this video I'm going to explain about deploying a memory game application using Docker container in our Linux virtual machine. So guys, in case if you have not watched my previous video which explains about the Docker and its components and how to install the Docker engine into your system, please do watch. I have given the URL of my video in the description of this video. Okay, so this web application can be deployed using the Docker container in simple 5 steps. First thing is let's download the files. In short, I will tell, and then probably we'll get into the actual thing into the system in a second. So download the files, create the Dockerfile, create the Docker image, verify the Docker image, and deploy the Docker container. So that's all, guys. So let's get into the system. So this is my system. I'm taking my shell terminal for easy access. So I'm going to create a directory called mem_game, and I have chosen a file from the GitHub which has the memory game, and I'm going to pick up this download zip, copy link address, and I'm going to say wget and given the URL that has downloaded the zip file for me, and I have to uninstall or unzip it. It is unzipped now. Let me remove the zip file now. Let me move all my files to the directory that I've just created. So all of these files are moved over here. Let me remove this directory now. Okay, so I have completed the first step. So the next step is we will have to get our Docker image. Okay, so for that, well, let's get into the official website of hub.docker.com. Go hub.docker.com and search for httpd because that's what we are interested in, and you will see the Apache web server's image is present here, and we can come down here and we have to create a Docker file using these two lines. So what it says is from httpd 2.4. so it'll actually, the system will, when we try to build the image, this instruction would tell like http 2 from you'll have to download the httpd 2.4 from the Docker Hub, and then we will have to copy the required website files that we have downloaded onto the containers Apache web servers location. We all know that Apache's web servers location is present in htdocs. So we will have to copy our all the files onto this location htdocs. So these two things we will have to do, and we will have to create the Docker file now using this command. So let's create this file. We can use nano Dockerfile. I have all my files in the current directory, and so I don't need to put the public_html. So I've just put dot means present directory, and I want all the files to be copied to the htdocs, which is present in the containers web servers location. So I've done that, and now I'm going to save this file, exit it. Now I have to run the or build the Docker image using this command. The command is docker build -t. Give a name of the image, and you have to give the location URL. Okay. Docker build -t. Name of the image, I want to give it as game, and the location is right here. So Docker image is getting built now. Yeah, it's done. That's it. And we can see whether Docker images are present or not using the command docker images. Docker ps. Yeah, Docker images, and there you see Docker images, that you see the Docker container mem game. Sorry, the Docker image that is the mem game is already built and it is ready. Now let's run this image in a container by using the command docker run -itd. I want to run this in interactive mode and in the background, and I want to translate the port of my local system to 8080 and to the containers port, which is 80, and the name I have to give the container name, which is actually I can give the name as memgame, and my image name is memgame as well. Yeah, so it's done. So you can see whether my container is running or not. Yes, my container is running. Let's directly go and see if I'm able to access my gaming application, the memory game application where I have deployed using the Docker container. Yeah, so I'm able to successfully access the memory game that I have published through that I have deployed through the Docker container, and the memory game is appearing right away here. I can give .game. Yeah, so that's it. That's it, folks. So that's all. It's very simple, and yeah. Please try this, and in case if you find any issues, feel free to let me know in the comments. And in case if you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.